All right, folks, it's time to do a drawing for the LetPot Hydroponics growing system. I kind of just screwed up. I thought yesterday was the 30th and today was the 31st, so I missed a day. But we will do the drawing. I already had people asking me, hey, what happened? So we're going to do the drawing for this, and we come right back. All right, so I got this all entered in here. It's going to be a very quick video. I will be shipping this the system out the next week. So whoever wins this, here's how it's going to work. You're going to send me an email to the email I list down below with your shipping address and username so I can check it against this. If that all checks out with your email, username, and shipping address, I will ship it out to you within a week. These are pretty cool. If you are interested in buying them, they run about $109. The link for that will be down below in the description. So let's get started with the drawing. All right, there's all the people coming through here. Kevin Overmoyer. Kevin Overmoyer, you are the winner, okay? You are officially the winner of the LetPot Hydroponic Gardening System. I need you to send me an email at the email posted down below in the description. I'm going to back out the camera a little bit and let you see what you've won. There you go. And that's that system there. I have used this system myself. You guys saw my updates to it. Love the thing. It's really growing well. We're able to pick lettuce right off there and eat it. It's really cool. So, Kevin Overmeyer, I will put your info down below. All you got to do is send me an email with your shipping address, your username, and your real name, which is obviously Kevin. And I will ship this out to you within the week. So congrats. Thanks to everybody who played along with it and entered into the contest. I hope we can do more of these types of contests. As a matter of fact, I do have a contest video coming up. You're going to see two videos from me today, this one and another review. So I wanted to make sure this got out today, so you guys got it. So Kevin Odemeyer, congratulations. Don't forget, folks, if you want to check out my links down below, I have my Amazon affiliate store, my freeze-dry wholesaler link. That link will save you 15% for using it. My Patriot Supply link, that's preparewithiridium.com, and our Thrive Life freeze-dried food store. I thank you guys for watching. Really quick video for this one. Stay safe and stay prepared.